Welcome to another video where we tackle a common problem that many developers encounter. In this case, we have a situation where we are using ag-grid-vue in the server-side row model, and we want to display the count of all the rows from the database, not just the displayed rows. The challenge here is accessing the row count value from an external function within the data section of the component. Now, let's dive into the solution. The key here is to utilize the status bar in ag-grid, specifically by setting the property status panel, ag total row count component. This will enable you to display the total row count in your grid, providing a straightforward way to access and showcase this vital information. Building on the previous point, it's essential to ensure that you reference the Vue instance properly within the create server-side datasource function. By passing the component reference as a parameter, you can update the total rows property with the desired value. This approach allows you to bridge the gap between the external function and the Vue component seamlessly, providing a cohesive solution to the problem at hand. In conclusion, by leveraging the status bar feature in ag-grid and appropriately referencing the Vue instance within the function, you can easily display and update the total row count in your application. This seamless integration enhances the user experience and provides valuable insights into the data being managed. I hope this solution proves helpful in your development journey. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or any funny coding anecdotes you may have. Happy coding!